We'll guide you through how to understand DaVinci Resolve Studio pricing in the latest version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Blackmagic Design website on your desktop. You'll want to navigate to the DaVinci Resolve section, which you can find under the Products tab in the main menu. Once there, you'll see two options: DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. The key difference is that DaVinci Resolve is free, while DaVinci Resolve Studio is the paid version with more advanced features. To understand the pricing, click on the DaVinci Resolve Studio link, which will take you to a page detailing the features and benefits of the Studio version. As of 2025, DaVinci Resolve Studio is available for a one-time purchase, which means you own the software instead of paying a subscription fee. This is great for users who prefer to make a single payment and avoid recurring charges. The price is listed on this page, and you can purchase directly from the website or through authorized resellers. Make sure to check if there are any promotions or bundles that might include additional hardware or software. Another great tip is to look for educational discounts if you're a student or an educator, as Blackmagic Design often offers special pricing for educational institutions. Remember, the Studio version offers advanced features like HDR grading, 3D tools, and more, which are perfect for professional projects. So, if those are important to your workflow, the upgrade could be worth it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.